This is how to request verification on Instagram. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Instagram account. After that, here you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, click on the settings and privacy, and in settings and privacy click on the creator tools and controls. Now from here at the bottom you will be able to view request verification option. Once you click on it, now you will be able to view this form. Here you have to fill in the details in the form. To give your form details, you have to enter your username, full name, and then you have to select your document type and upload the documents. Once you have carefully filled the form data, now you have to click on the submit option. After that, Instagram will review your profile, and if you meet the standards, then it will give you the verification badge. So that's how to request verification on Instagram.